thank you
Yeah.
so much for coming to this session. And you were the great team as a volleyball players at IIT Kharagpur. This is going to be more of an interactive session where we would like to give the freshers and other students a flavor of how sports life at KGP would be. So let's get started with the your journey. Like, how did you actually get into volleyball? Were you into the sports while you were not in the college, and how did you get selected by after coming to college? So Shruti, would you like to start?
Yes, hi everyone. So yeah, I'm doing PhD at IIT Kharagpur now. So I had my BTech days, MTech days. So all those times I used to play, but I was not that much into volleyball. Like I didn't get a chance to play under a coach or like professional players and all. So coming to IIT Kharagpur, I think I came through a selection process. Like there was a selection for freshers, I think. So I was there, and then yeah, and then I met Maitri. So Maitri was in my hall. So then we used to come for practice every day, and then yeah, everything happened, I think. So I went just like I was there for first inter IT at that time, like 2018. Yeah, 18. So I just went for that, and then then I didn't. I quit volleyball, I think so, because I had my research issues in between. I had to concentrate on my thesis and all. So I just played for 1 year, but that time was awesome. Like that period was awesome. So I was so interested in coming to practice both morning and evening. The vibe was awesome. Like the players, even our coach. Like we had a coach, Dharni sir. So that everything was awesome during that period, and I missed volleyball so much when I was busy in my lab. I felt like if I get an opportunity, like I was supposed to play the coming year, next year also, but then uh, it didn't happen. So I missed that volley part very much. And yeah, so who are watching this session, I think you shouldn't, like, as you're a fresher, you'll get 4 years, like complete 4 years to be a part of this team. So you shouldn't waste that. Like that will be a best part of your life at IIT Kharagpur. The whole team, the tempo, all those like events, both inter IT and inter hall, like everything will be so special for each of you. So yes, that's it.
Okay, so honestly speaking, actually I started playing volleyball even before entering IIT KGP from my 11th standard. So my journey started in 11th standard, and after entering into IIT KGP, I did not play for first year, but and in first year inter IIT also did not like it got delayed or it got cancelled due to I think Madras floods. So
Mhm.
then then I started playing for inter IIT in my second year, and I also got support of so many my senior players like Pankaj and all. So and
Amit,
in this
Amit.
way, Amit, he came in third year, I think, in my third year. So
Okay.
he was a legendary player for me. So Amit came in third year, and then all his funda and all helped me very much. But but finally we got medal in I think 2019. Like 4 साल के
Mhm.
बाद medal मिला.
In which you didn't even want to participate, if I
Like that
remember.
was my final year, and I was busy in my placement and all. So I thought कि यार अब छोड़ो यार, अब तो medal नहीं आने वाला है फाइनल ईयर में. पर फिर भी अमित ने like he insisted. तो मैंने सोचा चलो यार
Amit,
अमित के लिए
Amit
चल
ने,
लेते हैं.
Amit ने, Amit ने
अमित
really
ने,
याद
अरे
है.
आपका भी like he also played a
हाँ.
very big role in for convincing me in that year. तो ठीक है, मैंने कहा अब यार आयुष भी बोल रहे हैं, अमित भी बोल रहे हैं, तो फाइनली 2019 में हम चले, और फाइनली like हैप्पी एंडिंग हुआ, और like we got a silver medal, and but we lost against IIT Delhi. नहीं तो वो शायद गोल्ड भी आ सकता था.
Okay, nice. Yeah, so also we would like to ask how is it like to be into inter IT, what where it feels and how difficult is it to get selected into it?
And you guys are the first team in KGP history to go into quarters.
Okay, I'd like to answer that. Yeah. My first year of inter ID was in my third year inter ID Kanpur, which was held in inter ID Kanpur. So I'm not saying don't take it in any other sense, but during that time we were only 7 players. Remember Dabara? We were just only 7 players, 6 were playing and 1 was extra. There was no there was no like no
was
race
me.
to
Extra
it.
was me.
Dude, yeah, we were all there. It was just 7 players because I don't know, for some reason we didn't have players staying back at the practice session during December month. Many into that team in that year. Yeah, that was pretty much struggle to be at least like if someone gets an injury, there's an extra player and there's no switching or swapping with another player. Yeah, that was whole other big deal that year, and that was my first team fighting.
Like, how did you feel when you enter the court and people are looking at you, your first inter IT? How emotionally challenging was it?
First insight is always memorable because I don't know if Maizir and Dabba remember there was a lot of sledging going on from IT. Which IT was it? Gandhinagar, I guess, right? We
Dhanbad,
were playing
Dhanbad.
against Gandhinagar,
No,
and
not
there
Dhanbad,
was
sorry.
lot done by Gandhinagar, I guess.
Gandhinagar, Gandhinagar.
Yeah, Gandhinagar. There were heaps of people around us, and they were like sledging like hell and giving us petty names to call upon and not.
Yeah,
Crying
so we were
and
not
we were losing badly and we were almost crying in the court.
good,
Oh, it was so funny.
basically.
And that was, and actually we didn't have much time to practice with the coach and he didn't know about the players in the team well. And it was other big deal. And he was just shouting, yelling at us, just do that, pick up the ball, just smash it. And we don't know how to do it. We are not trained for that at that point of time. Yeah, bit horrible, but yeah, it was a good experience.
Yeah, so my first entry was at Bombay. In my second year, I went there also. We went to quarters, but it was because like in our group sessions there was one easy team, so we went on to quarters. Um, it was like, as I said, I didn't know underarm, and I was like pretty flustered on the court. Uh, but it was a good experience. So basically, the thing is, our seniors didn't care if we win or not. They were just there for the entry certificate mostly. Uh, like, I mean, they wanted to win, but they were not pretty strong. They were not pretty strong will that, yes, I have to win. So basically, like before us, me and Meena is another senior. So we too, like we started going regularly to court. Before that, even we didn't even have a separate girls court. Like whenever the girls went, then Adida used to lower the net and he said, "Low, use this court." So when we started going regularly, then he started like, this is the girls court and boys cannot use it. So he started giving us one court separately and giving us balls. So in that environment we went to but our seniors were good players only, like they had prior experience before coming to IIT itself, so they had good experience, so they were good players, but they practice was less, so it was like that.
Okay. So, Maitri, would you like to tell your inter IT feels?
Yeah, so my first entry, like I don't know, the mental balance like is very much required. It might happen that every time you get into a game, you face difficulty for that with the crowd and all. But yeah, that is it. That you have to have your cool maintained in the game. And coming to all the intra-ITs, I would say the one which was in Guwahati, which was our fourth position, like we were a very good team back then. But yeah, we would have easily got some podium finish, and yeah, we couldn't due to some constraints. Yeah, at the end, what it matters is keeping your cool in the game, on the court.
I don't think I have any problem. Means मैं बैचलर्स करके आया था ऑलरेडी और मास्टर्स में मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया तो सिलेक्शन का तो कोई लोड नहीं था. But feeling of inter-IIT means it's different. You can't express it. It's the best thing in IIT. It will be the best thing you will face in IIT. और क्या है कि जो वहाँ पे ग्राउंड में जब खेलते हो, जब चारों तरफ से भीड़ आती है और तुम्हें गालियां पड़ती है, तो वो अलग फील आती है उस टाइम पे ना. वो अलग ही होता है. वो तुम यहाँ पे मतलब वर्ड्स में तो क्या ही एक्सप्लेन करे उसे. वो अलग फील है. जब वहाँ पे खेलोगे तो तब पता चलेगा.
आप तो एमटेक में आए थे मिर्दा, आप बताइए, आप तो यूजी से हैं.
यूजी से. हाँ, तो यूजी में सिलेक्शन का ऐसा है like if you have some basic skills तो I guess selection में like you will not have any problem. आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर बेसिक स्किल्स नहीं है तो थोड़ा मुश्किल रहेगा, लेकिन but it's not impossible. Like we are here, like seniors are there to teach you basic skills वगैरह, वो सब सिखा देंगे. पर वही है, प्रैक्टिस में आना पड़ेगा रोज. अगर like if you have basic skills and if you are consistent in your गेम एंड ऑल तो सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. कोई इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट. बस कंसिस्टेंसी होना चाहिए. और इंटर-आईटी का फीलिंग तो आपको आयुष ने बता ही दिया. सब पूरा कंटिंजेंट जाता है, यूनिटी दिखता है और लाइक इट्स बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट होता है वो.
I would just like to ask, how is your life as a sports person at KGP different from other friends who were not into sports? And like, what do you feel about that? Have you ever regretted being into sports because you see some of them spending time online and doing some stuff while you have to go to ground every day, morning and evening? How did you feel about that?
So there's no regret about it. I actually liked going to ground. So even when there are classes, I used to go in sports attire and then go to ground from there. I used to like it that much. So there's no regrets there. It was like my way of enjoying life at KGP.
Okay, so Vidya, would you like to talk about that?
Yeah, when you want to say about that, actually, I have seen different kinds of people on ground. People like who are about to weigh pros and cons of being in a sport and not being in a sport, and being in different or being in any other different drama cultures or something like that. Because I mean, it was kind of more fun not to be in sports and be in any other drama society or something. But what I would say is, for me especially, and also we, like me, Maitri, Dabara, Kumud, and Shruti are all here because we love the sport. That is one thing, you have to have it. And if you don't love the sport, there is no point in coming like banging your legs all day or all evening in the ground, right? So yeah, you need to love any sport to go in the first point. And second point is like, also I've seen people quit in the middle, which says a lot about your discipline for a sport. Yeah, we all have been there. Like during our placements or internships, we have seen many pros and cons about being in a sport or not. But it is that love for the sport that should drive you to the ground every day. Yeah.
Okay.
And also the seniors and the team that you work with, and yeah, mostly that.
So like, how is it if someone in the team don't want to come to ground, and where other seniors come, will they come and drag them to the ground? This happens with many times with
Maitri is the best one to answer that.
Right, yeah. just before quitting, just talk to your seniors. That is the best thing one can do. Just because seniors give you the best advices, and they know, because at one point of the time or the other they have been through that, right? Because we are not the first person to be in a position like that, like just to weigh the pros and cons of something. They have already done it and they have been through it, and they will give the best advice. And any sports senior would ask you to continue and not to quit. That is for sure. Yeah.
Okay.
रिग्रेट तो नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल भी रिग्रेट नहीं कर सकते इस चीज को। बेस्ट चीज थी मेरे लिए तो वॉलीबॉल चूज करना अभी तक।
यार ये regret तो like finally we got a medal now, so no need to regret. वो पूरा it's worth playing volleyball, अभी मेमोरी भी है, तो रिग्रेट नहीं है। रिग्रेट होना भी नहीं चाहिए, लाइक मतलब तुम
लास्ट वाले इंटर आईटी में हमारा मेडल आ गया, तो हैप्पी मेमोरीज है हमारे लिए वो, बिल्कुल एंडिंग मेमोरीज भी बहुत अच्छी थी। उसके बाद में हम कुछ खेले भी नहीं, मिर्दा और मैंने, तो शायद अमित ने भी मना ही कर दिया था कि कुछ नहीं खेलेंगे आगे। यही हमारा लास्ट था।
Okay, क्योंकि like if you have to come to practice for every day and you see other roommates or other wingmates lying happily watching some movies, and that needs a lot of motivation, right? What can you
No. We like to play, means हमें अच्छा लगता था कि कोर्ट पे आके दोस्तों से इंटरेक्शन भी होता था और मजा भी आता था खेलते टाइम। मतलब अभी जैसे मैं यहाँ पे जॉब कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे फिजिकल करने को नहीं मिल रहा है, तो मुझे बुरा लगता है। फिर मैं अगर कुछ फिजिकल नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ तो अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसलिए मतलब ट्राई करता हूँ कि इधर उधर कहीं बाहर चला जाऊं मैं, तो मतलब वही
like
फिजिकल अच्छा लगता है।
watching movies is entertainment for them and playing volleyball is entertainment for us, मतलब सेम है मतलब।
हाँ, वो हमारे लिए यही था, एंटरटेनमेंट का सोर्स था। और मतलब दोस्त वगैरह तो मिलते ही हैं, बॉन्डिंग जो होती है खेलने में वो अलग लेवल की बॉन्डिंग होती है। मेरे साथ में जितने भी अभी मिर्दा हो गए, अमित हो गए और जूनियर्स भी जो हैं, बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं हम लोग, सबसे बातें होती रहती है, इतनी
बॉन्डिंग होता है।
हाँ, वो अलग लेवल की बॉन्डिंग है।
Yeah, like we had the friends that play together, sweat together, will be together, like that
forever. हाँ मतलब वही यार, जूनियर्स को ये कहना है कि देखो मूवीज देखना, वेब सीरीज देखना, इन सब से तो लाइक इट्स 100% बेटर टू प्ले वॉलीबॉल और प्ले एनी गेम, लाइक मतलब कुछ खेलो यार, ये सब देखने से तो अच्छा ही है।
Okay, Amit, would you like to add something?
मतलब स्पोर्ट्स बहुत कुछ सिखाती है यार। मतलब आप एक दूसरे का इमोशन अपने शेयर कर सकते हो। मतलब जैसे मिर्दा, हमारी जितनी टीम था, हम लोग हमेशा बैठ के शेयर करते थे स्पोर्ट्स ग्राउंड में बैठ के। तो यार मूवी देखना एक, और स्पोर्ट्स में आप इन्वॉल्व रहना, मतलब काफी डिफरेंट है यार एक दूसरे से। स्पोर्ट्स कुछ अलग है यार, मतलब अलग ही फीलिंग देती है यार। मतलब आपकी गोल, मतलब जैसे हमारा गोल था, हम लोग ग्राउंड जाते थे तो हमें लगता था कि इस साल हम लोग मेडल लेके आ जाएंगे मिर्जा, तो हम लोग अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं।
अरे और वो लाइक होता है ना, जो मतलब वॉलीबॉल में ऐसा कुछ स्नेक फ्रेंड वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता है, सब मतलब एकदम ट्रू फ्रेंड्स होते हैं। मतलब कहते हो ना तुम कि सांप है वगैरह वगैरह, मतलब वॉलीबॉल में ऐसा नहीं होता। जो होता है सब सामने होता है, और कोई सांप वाला काम नहीं करता इधर वॉलीबॉल में।
यार मतलब पूरा जेन्युइन होते हैं, पूरा जेन्युइन। मतलब जो भी है हम लोग एक दूसरे से इमोशन शेयर करते, पूरा जेन्युइन होता है यार। मतलब सेम फीलिंग है, हम लोग खेल रहे हैं, हम लोग हार रहे हैं, तो सभी प्लेयर का सेम फीलिंग है। मतलब अगर कुछ भी हो रहे तो साथ में हो रहे हैं, मतलब अगर मतलब जो भी है सब साथ में है यार। मतलब
you used to hang out together also, right? After the game you go to treats, you go to parties, and yeah, Gauri has some photos of that to show you guys now. Gauri, can you show that photos?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
See, like
so would you like to say what really happened over here?
अरे
ये इंटरैक्टिव तो तोमर सर है,
गुवाहाटी से जस्ट पहले का है ना, राजीव सर है ना।
मतलब हाँ, राजीव सर है हमारे, मतलब गुवाहाटी के, तो रेलवे में है। तो इस साल मतलब सीनियर नेशनल में इनका सिल्वर आया, असम टीम। हाँ, सिल्वर मिला।
तो ऐसा था, ये वाला सीन ऐसे होता था कि हमारे मतलब इंटरैक्टिव प्रैक्टिस चल रही है इस टाइम पे हमारी, और दो टीमें होती थी, एक हमारी प्लेइंग 6, प्लेइंग 7, और दूसरी एक्स्ट्रास जो भी उनकी टीम से तोमर सर खेलते थे। तो जो भी टीम हारती थी वो ट्रीट देती थी दूसरी टीम को।
हाँ राइट
तो
राइट।
डेली हम सीसीडी जाते थे उस टाइम पे, ये डेली एक आधा फोटो ऐसा मिलेगा हमारा। तो ये तो बहुत अच्छी मेमोरीज है तोमर सर के साथ में हमारी,
who
आज
used to
अभी
who
भी
used
बातें हो
to
जाती हैं।
pay कौन करते थे?
The losers.
हाँ
जो भी
लूजर्स ही करते
मैच,
थे, मतलब वो पूरी टीम या फिर मतलब कोई एक दो बंदे करते थे ऐसा
अरे
कुछ
मोस्टली
फिक्स नहीं था।
सीनियर्स लोग ही करते थे।
हाँ जूनियर से पे नहीं करा सकते ना, बात वो भी है। तो
So juniors को एक advantage है, you just be with seniors, you'll get as many treats as possible.
ये तो
हाँ
है ही, हमको भी ट्रीट्स मिला था हमारा सीनियर से, तो वही है लाइक वी हैव टू पास ऑन दिस।
Yeah, okay.
How was your experience, hopes, and memories from your first inter-IIT?
Experience, I will share my experience from my first inter IIT कानपुर, ठीक है। Honestly speaking, मतलब it was a very terrific horrified experience, मतलब पूरा हालत खराब हो गया था मेरा, मतलब पूरा मैच में, मतलब लाइक आई वाज लाइक ब्लैंक, मतलब क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं चला। आई वाज टोटली साइक, मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम था तो मैं मतलब कुछ खेल नहीं पाया अच्छे से, मतलब परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाया। तो वही है मतलब पूरा, फिर लाइक बट ठीक है, हाँ मतलब पता चला कि ये है, और फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम मतलब वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। तो वही है, मतलब बहुत प्रेशर ले लिया था मैंने अपने फर्स्ट इंटर आईटी में, और अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस, अच्छा तो क्या मतलब पूरा ही नेगेटिव परफॉर्मेंस कह सकते हो तुम। क्या पता मेरे बिना टीम जीत ही जाती।
So at that time,
ऐसा हो
what
गया।
did your team say to you when you performed
टीम
that?
ने मैच में तो बहुत गाली दी मेरे को। वो तो अच्छा वापस मारा नहीं मेरे को, पर ठीक है, मतलब मैच के बाद मेरे को बताया कि अरे ठीक है, फर्स्ट टाइम है, हो जाता है। कि मतलब लिटरली मतलब मैंने मैच में मतलब बहुत ही ज्यादा, मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, लाइक आई एडेड सम नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स टू माय टीम, पता नहीं क्या हो गया था। तो पर ठीक है, मैच के बाद लाइक टीम सपोर्टेड मी और बोला ठीक है, हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट टाइम था, लाइक यू विल प्ले बेटर फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम, एंड दे मोटिवेटेड मी। और फिर हाँ, आफ्टर दैट इंटर आईटी परफॉर्मेंस इम्प्रूव।
With all your dedication, 2 hours of practice. Okay, now
So,
like moving on to one more important aspect in sports is managing your emotional balance before the event. जो mental stress होता है, like the day before the event you can't even sleep. Like how do you guys used to manage that as a team? Like how was your mental state between every event?
उसके
बहुत
उसके
इम्पोर्टेंट
लिए
क्वेश्चन।
हाँ वो अमित अमित हमें बहुत बूस्ट करते थे। हमारी गुवाहाटी में तो मैच से पहले एक मीटिंग होती थी जरूर, हर एक मैच से पहले हमारी एक मीटिंग होती थी। उसमें बोलते थे कि क्या करना है, आज के मैच में क्या करना है, क्या वीक पॉइंट है इस टाइप में, और
हाँ
अल्टीमेटली
मतलब
तो
यही
जीतते
पॉइंट
ही
की
आना
लाइक
ही है।
we
हाँ
always used to have a meeting before, just before our match, मतलब सब बैठ के मीटिंग करते थे, डिस्कस करते थे सब, लाइक कुछ भी एंजाइटी है, कुछ भी स्ट्रेस वगैरह है, कुछ भी लोड होता था तो शेयर करते थे। और मतलब सीनियर्स रहते थे, अमित रहते थे, पवन, पंकज, सब मतलब शेयर करते थे और मोटिवेट करते थे एक दूसरे को। तो वही है, मतलब जस्ट बिफोर द मैच एक मीटिंग बहुत जरूरी है। एक हल्का सा मीटिंग, छोटा सा 5-10-15 मिनट का मीटिंग रख लो, तो उससे मतलब लाइक वी गेट गुड बूस्ट। तो वो सब था, अच्छा था, मतलब मीटिंग वाला पॉइंट।
क्या क्या गलतियां कर रहे हैं हम, पिछले मैच में क्या गलती की, इस मैच में क्या गलती नहीं करनी है, इस टाइप की चीजें डिस्कस उस टाइम पे करते हैं।
हाँ
और
मतलब सही है, मतलब प्रेशर तो रहता
इमो
है मैच से पहले, तो वही थोड़ा सब साथ में आ जाएगा तो थोड़ा डर वर कम हो जाता है।
वो हाँ उस मीटिंग के बाद में मतलब मैं तो काफी रिलैक्स फील करता था। ठीक है अपने टीम वाले हैं, कर लेंगे सब, अपने को अपना गेम खेलना है, इस टाइप में मूड रिलैक्स हो जाता था।
Yeah, so like being in inter IT is pretty much like an emotional roller coaster, and at the end of the day, you'll grow both professional, like grow as a person as a whole. You'll try to learn everything, how to balance your emotions when you are in the game, and that's the great thing we can learn when you are in the KGP. You stay in the KGP along with the acad. So is the great thing about sports. So I would like to also ask, how did sports actually impact your life? So what all did you learn from sports and volleyball during your stay at KGP?
Yeah, it actually changed everything. It actually changed everything how how we start to look at things. It changed my lifestyle. In first and second year, I was Gymkhana secretary where I used to roam a lot. I used to sleep at say 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and I used to wake up somewhere 10 a.m. Once I got into these practice sessions, it was tough to stay awake till 2 a.m. Say, I used to like sleep at around 11 p.m. and wake up at 6 a.m. and go to practice session. That way changed the lifestyle, and it all again depends on like how you like it. When you start liking it, you never want to leave it. But maintaining sports discipline is actually a tough thing because it is something related to what you have to do physically. And when you see with your friends and all doing as you said, they're spending time with their like chilling out and all, some it is the main reason the why people leave sports very quickly. But yeah, when you start to like it, yeah, I'd say you never leave it.
Okay. So yeah, like the sports person and the non-sports person, we can if we take two people comparatively, like the growth of this person in the 4 years of their stay in KGP, he'll become more emotionally strong, become more confident, become a great leader. And so that's why everyone, every student in Kharagpur or any person has to take some time out of their schedule to do some physical activity and get into some games. So yeah, like Vidya and Kumud, would you like to add something?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
means,
don't know how much it will be helpful, but yeah, Kumar.
you continue.
Yeah. Okay, I was about to say that. Yeah, I don't know how much it will be helpful, but I was not the Magu kind, and just to put, I'm just proud of it because in my spring sem, I would score just 7 pointers, and in my autumn sem, I would score 8.9, 8.7. I'm just proud of it. If you go to sports, it just changes everything. And it just makes you feel good that you have to go to practice at 6:30 and you have to get back to your hall hall at 7:45 and then go to class at 8, and then being in the class at 8 o'clock sweaty and all that, it just makes you feel good. And on top of that, you get to score good marks and you just get good CG about it. And that's the best part for me from sports. Yeah,
That's the
I'm proud
irony,
of it.
right? Generally, inter-IT happens after the autumn sem, and you're scoring better in autumn sem than the spring sem.
Because exactly because of the sports routine, right? You
Oh,
get to practice vigorously till the month of December, right? You have to get up for practice and you have to be in class. And I used to score good CG. Yeah, I was just happy about it.
generally, people think that if you actually get into sports, there's a lot of time waste, but that's the thing that is actually motivating people to study. Because once they are in the ground for 2 to 3 hours, they'll definitely feel that I
Exactly.
have to study for sure since I have been there for 3 hours, and that's what motivates. It's a great message for juniors.
See, if you have
It's not just that your mind just starts working sharper. I say you just get everything, and if you just sit in class after a practice session of any sport, you just grasp everything better. That is what I think.
Okay, so yeah, like we have almost come to the end of the session. So, what's your final advice for all the juniors out there?
bring the trophy, please. What will that in the ground? Please bring it
When they bring
in
the trophy,
KGP.
you guys are going to come to KGP and treat them, right?
Yeah, sure. I'll come. I'll come.
Okay. So, Pratyusha,
Yeah.
what's your suggestion for juniors?
Yeah, mine would be enjoy the game as much as you can. And then, if possible, continue playing after college also.
Okay. Maitri?
So I would say that it doesn't matter which game or what you get into. Make sure that you get into at least one of the sport, one of the fitness activity in the institute. Anyone, choose, make your choice. But yeah, you should be into one of it for your overall development.
यार मतलब कोच मिल गया है, तो मनीष सर हमारे पास आज अवेलेबल कोच भी हैं, परमानेंट कोच। तो मतलब आप पूरे साल प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। तो मतलब पूरे अगर फुल ईयर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो मतलब अच्छे से करो, फुल पोटेंशियल दो। और मतलब आपको गोल होना चाहिए कि मतलब अगर आप जाते हो टीम आपकी अच्छी है या नहीं है, लेकिन मतलब ये रहना चाहिए कि हम इंटर आईटी जाते हैं तो परफॉर्म अच्छे करके आएंगे, मतलब फुल अपने लिए मतलब सेटिस्फाई होंगे कि मतलब हम जितना खेल रहे थे, जितना प्रैक्टिस किए हैं, तो इंटर आईटी मतलब परफॉर्म करके आए हैं। नहीं तो यार मतलब पूरा साल वेस्ट हो जाएगा अगर आप जाके इंटर आईटी परफॉर्म अच्छे नहीं कर पाते हो। तो आप मेडल लाओ या ना लो, मतलब ये डिपेंड नहीं करती है, मतलब टेस्ट की आपने 100% दे के आओ इंटर आईटी।
सही है, सही है। तो मैं माय एडवाइस वुड बी, एक अलग एडवाइस देता हूँ। मतलब गेम का एडवाइस तो तुमने सब देख लिया होगा, सुन लिया होगा। मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा कि सीवी इंप्रूव करने के लिए या सीवी में लिखने के लिए इंटर आईटी मत खेलना। अगर सीवी इंप्रूव करनी है तो आप इंटरवल खेलो वगैरह, जो भी है वो सब करना। लेकिन अगर इंटर आईटी खेलना है तो दिल से खेलना।
हम्म।
मतलब सीवी को अगर फायदा करवाना है तो सीवी को फायदा तो तुम्हारा इंटरवल खेलने से ही हो जाएगा। उतना लोड मत लो कि हाँ प्लेसमेंट चाहिए, तो प्लेसमेंट में तो तुम इंटरवल का लिख दोगे सीवी में, तो वो भी काफी हेल्प कर जाएगा और हो जाएगा। पर इंटर आईटी में अगर खेल रहे हो तो मतलब अच्छे से खेलना, ऐसा नहीं कि सीवी इंप्रूव करने के लिए खेलना है।
That was a great session, guys. Thank you so much. Hope this video, like freshers, find this video very interesting and inspiring, and they'll join the sports as soon as they come to campus. Thank you so much for attending, taking your time. Yeah.